Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify tax information with H&R Block easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the H&R Block official website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right. Click on the sign in button to access your account. Enter your email and password associated with your H&R Block account. After logging in, navigate to the tax information section. In this section, you will find options related to your tax documentation. Select View Tax Documents to access your past tax returns. If you need to verify specific information, choose the relevant tax year. Once you've selected the year, review the displayed tax return details. Check for accuracy on key information such as your filing status and income. If any discrepancies appear, use the provided Contact Support option for assistance. For updated tax information, consider the Current Tax Updates section. This area offers insights into ongoing tax changes and requirements. To ensure you're on track, keep your personal information secure. Regularly log into your account to stay informed about any notifications. If you encounter any technical issues, consult the Help Center for solutions. You can find FAQs and guides that may address your concerns quickly. If further assistance is required, consider calling their customer service. Keep all relevant documents, like W-2s and 1099s, ready for verification. Following these steps makes verifying your tax information straightforward. Utilize H&R Block's resources for a smooth tax preparation experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.